Hi, I'm Jennalee on week 8 of the age management case study with my client, Erin, and I'm so excited for the results we've had over the last 8 weeks and the progression I've seen with her skin from it just having more of the suppleness, really boosting the elasticity and the collagen in her skin, really balancing. It feels like plumper and happy. And I want to hear, how have the last 8 weeks been for you?
Absolutely. Great. I think the same. I think that I see a lot of reduction in fine lines, which is fantastic. I have really enjoyed being more intentional about taking care of my skin too, which has been great. And I have gotten a lot of feedback too. So I think you changed my life.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I've really seen, even from that smile, the smile lines that would kind of go from here that would travel up, and from the eyes that would then travel down. That's definitely reduced on your forehead, everything, which has been really amazing. Yeah. She's a little pink right now because we just finished a treatment, but overall your skin's health feels...
I think that is how I feel. Healthy. I feel like I can still turn things around with your help. It's been amazing. So I'm actually really surprised at how much change was actually able to happen in just 8 weeks.
And even some of the dry patches and tone balancing, and the dry patches aren't there.
Yeah, and it's been great. So thank you. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited.
Yeah, we'll keep working on it.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.